Hey, we are at Epcot today, and we got 2 more of the Magical Mystery Pins, the Series 28 popcorn. We need Stitch, and we need Dumbo still. So wish us luck.
This one.
Maeve's gonna open one first.
Let's see which one we got. This one.
Oh my goodness, that's our 3rd. Show it. That's our 3rd Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah. Hopefully we don't get another Tinkerbell or another Winnie the Pooh in that one.
Okay. Moment of truth. Oh my gosh, another Tinkerbell. We're gonna have to find some people to trade with, because this is getting out of hand. Okay. So, we got another Tinkerbell and another Pooh.
We still got one more pack.
Okay, happy Friday.
Bye.